In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project in Semrush. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get a project set up so you can start exploring site performance, competitive insights, and keyword opportunities all in one place. Let's begin right inside the Semrush interface. On the left sidebar, look for the section labeled SEO. Click that. This takes you into the main area where Semrush groups the tools you'll use to understand and improve your search visibility. If your sidebar is condensed, hover to reveal the labels so you can find SEO clearly. Next, click Dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your central hub for everything related to your SEO efforts. This is where you'll create and manage projects, monitor progress, and quickly jump into the tools that matter most for your site. From the dashboard, you'll see a field where you can enter a domain. Go ahead and type the domain you want to analyze and track. Use the primary domain for your website and avoid adding extra folders or parameters. Keeping it clean and consistent ensures your data is accurate and easy to compare over time. If you manage multiple brands or regions, create separate projects for each domain so your insights stay focused and actionable. Once your domain is in, click Create SEO Project. That's it. Your project is now set up. Semrush will create a dedicated workspace for that domain, making it simple to keep your research and reporting organized. With the project created, you can immediately start exploring the tools that matter. To analyze site performance, open the options within your project that highlight technical health and on-page opportunities. You'll be able to spot issues that could slow your site or block search engines, prioritize fixes, and track improvements as you go. For competitive analysis, dive into the reports that compare your domain with others in your space. You can see where competitors win traffic, which pages drive their visibility, and how your domain stacks up. This helps you identify content gaps and strategic opportunities to move ahead. And for keyword research, use the tools tied to your project to discover terms your audience actually searches, understand intent, and assess difficulty. Build focused lists to guide your content plan and keep your efforts aligned with measurable demand. To recap, click SEO on the left sidebar, click Dashboard, enter your domain, and click Create SEO Project. With that done, you're ready to analyze site performance, run competitive analysis, and conduct keyword research, all from one organized project.